Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Let It Be by the Beatles, so the verse and the chorus, by using chord inversions and using particularly the D chord shape and also the D7 chord shape. So there's two shapes here that you know. Okay? So I'll be using my Blue Sky Strymon reverb pedal and my Black Star amp and this guitar, of course. So, first thing, what are chord inversions? Chord inversions are chords that do not have the root on the bass. So you can find them like C/C over C/G, for example. So this is the case here of this D chord shape that is a chord inversion here. I'm playing on fret 12, 13, and 12, like a D chord shape. And I have the notes, so G here, C, and an E. So this is a second chord inversion, and we could call it like a C over G. So something original to play instead of starting on. If you want to play like an introduction that's original of Let It Be, this could be fun to do. So I'm starting with my C over G, second inversion. Then I'm moving on fret 7 here on my G chord inversion. So I'm going to play a G over D. So I'm playing the notes D, G, and B. Okay, so that's the second inversion. We're going to call it G over D. Then we go to A minor. That's going to be like the D7 chord shape on top of the neck there, but we're going to play on string 4, 3, and 2. So string 4, fret 10. We're going on string 3, fret 9, and string 2, fret 10. And that's an A minor. A minor over C. This is a first chord inversion. So that means you can, if you know where your root note is, you can play all the chord inversions you want and to play your songs in a more original way. So A minor. And then we go to F. F is going to be on fret 5. So 5, 6, and 5, and this is going to be a F over C, so second inversion. So we have the note C, we have the note F, the note A. Then we go back to C, G, F, and C. Okay, so. So, of course, you'll find all those chord positions there on my Patreon. So I'll put the link here so that you can easily work this out. Now let's have a look at the second part on the chorus. So we're starting on the A minor. So the A minor, remember, fret 10, 9, 10. First inversion, so it's A minor over C. We're going to G, fret 7, 8, 7, D chord shape. F, so F over C, second inversion, and back to C. And we play again C, G, F, and back to C. I hope you enjoyed this lesson here. Don't forget to subscribe.